I graduated high school in 1942. I was 18 years old, and I took the entrance examinations for admission to the Air Force Institute of Technology. I became a B-17 pilot. On my very first mission, I was my engineer. We were badly shot up. Our leader decided to take a shortcut. So we came in at 90 degrees. Another squadron came right through us. We lost 5 out of 8 squadrons. We lost our formation. During the Cold War, I flew tankers. When the bomber took off from Massachusetts and got to altitude, that I would meet him, top off his tanks on his way to the North Pole. They went to the various briefings, got in our airplanes, flew the mission. We ate 1 meal a day breakfast, fly more than 6 missions a month. We did 13 missions in 14 days. That's the way we lived. So we broke up in pairs, and this is the way we did it. One of the 6 killed himself in his airplane while he was waiting. I'm Rivet. I'm 98 years old, and this is my story.